So today we are going to be working on the soffit in front of the house. We need to actually get that done. Tim's been looking at it and getting his computer and working on the drafting. We wanted to work on getting the other side of the roof done, but we have to get the soffit in first. So we're going to work on that today, try to get that knocked out, and then we can start hitting the roof before it starts getting insanely hot again.
Three more hands. Two more brains.
Two more brains. Want to tell me what you're doing? Huh?
Figure all this out.
I know. So we have a conundrum today, yes?
Huh?
We have a conundrum today, yes?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Make it look easier on paper.
Yeah. They're working on the soffit today. This is probably going to take all day or more. We couldn't really go any farther with putting the roof on until we fix this part. So, as Tim just said, it looks different on paper than once we got here because the angles weren't lining up, so we're kind of having to piece things together and move some things around as we go. And the positioning of all this isn't the easiest. So, I am in one of the dormer windows, and we're just figuring out where to put all the pieces of the puzzle to get everything to put together. We've kind of had to change some ideas on some things. Lots of going up and down stairs. We have to measure each piece individually, and that's kind of how it goes. Okay.
I only had 8 inches the next 3.
Already made?
So there'll be 2, sorry, the next 2.
Did you already put those 2 in?
Yeah, I got. These will be just 8 inch extra.
For 3 of them?
2, just these 2. Huh? I'll do that.
getting late and we are done for tonight. We didn't get quite as much done as we had wanted to, but it's been a very long day. The soffit is probably 3/4 of the way done. Lots of little pieces, lots of scratching our heads, and every little piece had to be cut individually because things are, if something's 1/8 of an inch off, there's Tim. If something's 1/8 of an inch off, you can't measure everything the same. So it just very slow, having to go into tight places, and it just was a long day. So we're tired, lots of going up and down stairs, and we made good progress, which is good. See that window? So he's taller than that window. I don't know how many times I bashed my head on that window today. Today was full of a lot of bad words, mostly by Tim, because he had to go up and lift between each spot. Me, anytime I bashed my head. And actually, Sydney asked if she could say some bad words. I said no. Poor girl, she stubbed her toe on some wood and broke her toenail, and then she hit it again and broke it the rest of it off. So we had to take care of that. Just things, being a kid, right? Things happen. Right, Valerie? Right? Yeah. All right, so we're wrapping it up tonight. Back at it tomorrow, hopefully to get that finished and start finishing the sheeting on the roof.